This is so good.
To create eating ASMR videos like this using AI, simply follow these easy steps. First, download the necessary files. You'll find the download link in the video description. Next, open the downloaded file containing the prompt and copy the entire prompt text. Then, go to Google Gemini, tap the plus icon, select Upload File, and choose one of the downloaded video files that you'd like to use. Paste the copied prompt into the appropriate section below. After that, open Google Flow. Link is also in the description. Click on Settings, select the latest version, and paste the command you copied into the input area. Once your video is ready, click the download icon to save your high-resolution video. We hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.